So let's go ahead and deep dive into ticker symbol SUMO. This was a very new stock on the market. Came out a little bit just before October. Another cloud-based company which is doing very good work. It recently did have a contract with Amazon, and it's been sort of moving with the Amazon's sort of trajectory, or it was until this last fall that we had, where we saw it come down quite a bit. So let's go ahead and look at some key resistance zones for Sumo. So we actually saw it come back down all the way down to $16, which was its all-time low, uh, and with a all-time high of around $40. So a very big correction for the stock of Sumo. We're going to try and drill and see where we can find some good resistance points to really understand what sort of areas we should be looking for when trading this stock. So we're going to put in a few markers and to get a better understanding of what we can really expect and how we expect Sumo to move. So I think that'll be good enough for this video. Already giving us very nice indications of the stock of Sumo and how it's trailed back, and important points for you to set up as alerts for future trades. So we did see a good volume, good buy volume come in at the start of just the end of March and the start of April. A good amount of volume coming in right here, which is always very positive. But there was a massive selling, hence this big correction that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. But all in all, right now we can see Sumo hitting this low of $16, and then slowly tracing up back, trying to find some consolidation within this region until going out and testing another high of $20. So we really want to see this stock trail within over here, even though the volume's pretty small over here, but we do want to see this stock try and trail around these 2 points right over here, which will show or give us some healthy indications for the stock, and then once consolidating, we could see a nice upward movement, testing that $20 and 87 cents resistance as well. So let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit more. So here we have Sumo. We're gonna go into the 1 day, see if we can see some of these resistance points that we have marked. So we are now trading a little bit below our $19.07 resistance that we had set up, but we do want it to maintain within this region. If we were to look a little bit closer, we could maybe find some resistance right over here at the $18. As long as it trails around this area, this would be very good for the stock. If it is to break again, then our resistance points, even though there aren't too many on this stock, then we are at the $17, where maybe we could find some resistance over here as well. But ideally, we want to see some bullish momentum within the stock, and hopefully we will see that. Let's zoom out a little bit more, and we can see right now that the trend for Sumo was very positive. with a nice trajectory upwards. But since that March correction and all that news about the inflation, it's really caused um this stock to really suffer and fall quite substantially, more than sorry, about 50% from its all-time high, falling all the way down. So right now we can see that the trajectory is very low, with a little bit of uh, recovery in the last couple of days. So let's just go ahead and let's zoom out a little bit here. Let's get the cross back up. Just a little bit of volume coming in right now, and which is very positive. Um, and so overall, it seems that if we stay around here and we see some volume coming in, uh, this could be very positive for the stock. Let's go ahead and maybe compare, just so if I can maybe see some sort of correlation between this and so we're gonna go ahead and just remove this as well. Just get rid of that as well. So overall, the stock has suffered majorly during this correction. Now we do want to see some nice action. Hopefully follows this trend back up, so we can see some good price movement in Sumo.